And the other woman will not be allowed in my courtroom ever again. Carla Green versus Dustin Mickles and Antoinette Mickles.
This is Darnisha Green, co-owner, and Carla's my wife. She's with her students. She's back with her students now.
Okay, well, your name is not on here as plaintiff. So
can you hear me? I'm on here. I just got to do what I got to do.
Oh, okay, Miss Green, you are on. Okay, all right, good.
I'm on here. She was just speaking on my behalf because I'm on the wave books with my students. I work with students with disabilities, and I've been on here for like an hour, but I didn't know it goes like this.
Okay, all right. This is a termination case. And what's your reason for terminating? Is it a month-to-month lease?
Yes, it's been a month-to-month lease since last February.
Pardon?
It's been a month-to-month lease since last February 24.
Okay, and I see the 30-day notice. And sir, what's your position on being on the termination?
I've been trying to find a place because like our lease, like she said, our lease has been up since, well, it says on the paper since 2/28/25. That's when the lease expired, but it expired last year, that day. But I've been looking for housing and stuff like that. But I came into this house out of a program through the Alpha House, which is through Hawk. And I was given Section 8, and then they took my housing voucher from me. And so like I've been trying to find somewhere else, but I have a big family. And so I've applied for 23 different places and I've been denied. And
when you say somebody took your housing voucher, who took your housing voucher?
I think it would be RPI.
Okay.
And with my family, sorry.
When did that happen?
It happened in November. And then the program agreed to continue paying the rent. While I looked for a place, and I tried to explain to them I can look, but since my family is so big, I have to have a certain size. And
gotcha.
I haven't found anything, sir. And the ones that I have found, I went to private landlords on Facebook, and a lot of those people are scamming.
Well, but I'm just trying to understand this. Right now, if you try to move, you don't have a voucher.
No, they took it from me, sir.
Okay.
Because,
no, I heard you. Just listen to my questions. I'm just trying to sort it out.
Okay.
And so the landlord in this case, Ms. Green, they haven't been getting anything paid they haven't been getting anything. Is that?
No.
When you say no, am I correct in what I said? Or
Correct.
Okay. All right. I just wanted to make sure. So let me ask you this. If his voucher, because I don't understand why they removed your voucher. And I'm not going to be able to sort that through today. I'm just trying to figure out, are you terminating because he doesn't have the voucher any longer and you're looking at the picture there? If he had the voucher, might this tenancy continue?
At this time, I'm just done with the whole rent thing. I don't want to go through these court proceedings and all that. They didn't get the voucher.
You don't like coming to see me?
Absolutely not. I'm not a court chick.
Whoa. Okay, Ms. Green, I'm hurt.
It's nothing towards you, but I'm just not. But
I got
the family really, they took care of my property and everything. It's just like the system failed them. And I feel bad about it, but like I don't want to go through this whole process.
You mean in terms of the voucher being taken and?
No, they was in the shelter program from the beginning.
Okay.
And the lady, their worker, didn't ever follow through on anything. And so when she was the person that's supposed to help them get the voucher, help them. She failed them. I told this young man, I told him to, it seems like he could do something legally with that, because how do you end up in a shelter and still end up homeless?
Yeah, no, I hear you, and that's why I was asking the question I was asking,
Yeah,
because of something that Mr. Mickles said. Because it
yeah.
sounds like as long as the voucher was there, things were okay, but something happened with this voucher and the worker, and
Be-
that. Mr. Mickles, how many people do you have in your household?
9.
Oh boy.
A routine eviction hearing quickly turned emotional when a tenant explained that his family of 9 was facing homelessness after losing a housing voucher. The landlord told the court that the lease had been month to month for over a year and that no rent payments had been received since the voucher program stopped covering the costs.
Okay.
One of which is a 3-month-old baby.
Okay. All right. Here's what I'm going to do. Have you talked to legal services at all?
No, sir. I tried to do some research about it, but I really haven't had much time because, like, we have been packing the house up, and like I work midnights, and my kids.
All right. Listen. Listen.
Able to.
Write this number down.
One moment, sir.
Your Honor,
Yes.
this is Darnisha Green, a co-owner. What my wife is not sharing with you is that we haven't received payment. And like we feel for the Michaels family, but we can't afford both homesteads either. We have 5 people in college.
Okay. Was anybody listening to what I just said?
Yeah, you said contact.
Here's what I'm indicating. I don't know if the reason I was asking is, could the tenancy continue if the voucher was there? I get the fact that there wasn't any payment. I understand that because the voucher got taken.
Oh.
My only question is why was it taken?
Regardless to the fact we want possession of our property.
All right, you need to put your name on the case because I'm just.
Well,
Okay.
Carla, you
I got a family.
because I'm the one
No,
paying the bills.
ma'am.
Okay.
My court. This is the way it works.
I
Okay,
understand, but
let
I'm
you
going in
talk,
default. I'm going into default on my bills. This is a
Okay.
ripple effect.
Okay, Your Honor.
Ma'am, I'm
I
going to kick you
understand.
out. I'm going to kick you out of my proceeding.
Bye.
She
Kick
finna
her.
log off.
Bye. Kick her out. She's gone.
She finna log off. I apologize. For that, Judge. I apologize, but
You let her know she does not address me that way ever.
Okay. I apologize. She just upset. She's putting her daughter
She can be as upset as she wants. I'm just going to ask the questions that I've asked. I've got somebody with 9 people in this household.
Okay, but
I've
I
got
can't
you
take
not
care of
getting
my
paid.
family. Right. Yeah.
And I get it. March 28th. I'm going to adjourn it out 1 week. Let them contact legal services. Because here's what it is, Ms. Green, and what the problem's going to be. If he's got 9 in the household, I mean, it's going to be a bad situation all around, or can be, because I don't know a place that's going to be able to take 9. And so he's going to have a voucher to get himself out. And so I want to give a chance for him to try to talk. I want to give a chance to have him talk to a lawyer to see why they terminated the voucher. All right. And then sort of work from there. Okay. Did I give him the number?
No.
But what I'm
Okay.
But what I'm trying to tell you, Judge Simpson, whether he get the voucher or not, I want my property.
No, I got you. But if that happens, it's going to be he can potentially move, but I've got to give him the opportunity to look at why the voucher was taken.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Sir, here's the phone number.
Okay.
All right. Area code 734 665
665
6181.
6181.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay.
All right. And so give that number a call. Let them know that you had a voucher, that you no longer have it,
Okay.
and that you're unsure as to why. And then let them know that your current landlord is terminating your tenancy, but that you've got this large family and you're trying to move it.
Okay.
Okay. And let's see where that gets us. So I'm going to set this for March 28, 2025 at 3 p.m. That's an in-person hearing. So folks, you need to be here.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you. Your Honor.
Thank you. And the other woman will not be allowed in my courtroom ever again, either in person or via Zoom. It will only be Carla Green that will be permitted. All right. So you can let her know that too, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Instead of immediately granting the eviction request, the judge decided to give the tenant one final opportunity to seek legal assistance. Concerned about the family's situation, especially with 9 people in the household, including a 3-month-old baby, the judge questioned why the housing voucher had been revoked in the first place. He provided the tenant with contact information for legal services and encouraged him to investigate whether the voucher termination was justified. The judge acknowledged the landlord's financial concerns, but also recognized the serious consequences of